What's up, guys? This is Alex reporting to you from Vapesterdam, where it's cloudy as shit and god do we love it. We've got a tiny vaporizer in for you today, the little one by new manufacturer LITL. Okay guys, let's start right off the bat. When I opened this thing, I wasn't expecting much. Okay, it's a $50 vaporizer. It's not going to be comparable to the mighty crafty Zeus Arc. It's a budget vape. But for a budget vape, I'm not going to lie, it's got some cool features. You can adjust the airflow, there's haptic feedback, glass mouthpiece. All the things that you're kind of expecting in a higher priced vaporizer are here. You get good flavor, and to be honest, I think this whole thing was based around discreetness, but more on that later. In terms of vapor quality, the airflow adjustment definitely helps. The glass mouthpiece helps with flavor. It's obviously not mighty vapor, but it's pretty good. For what it is, it does its job well. Solid build for $50. Feels really great in your hand. Glass mouthpiece again, just, I don't know, like they're starting to put more and more effort into these budget devices, hoping that, people are going to try vaping for the first time. And I think if you're going to try vaping, this is a great entry-level unit. I love the simplicity of the design. Like, it really is just the easiest to use device I think I've ever seen. And it has a stylish, modern look. This is the ninja of vaporizers. This is the smart car of vaporizers. It's tiny as It is ultra discreet. The clouds aren't that big. The flavor is unreal. The green light, I don't know. I just think this thing looks slick in terms of discreetness. Maybe the green light kind of works against you, but it's so small you can hide it in your hand and take draws like, wherever the fuck you want. In terms of ease of use, 5 taps to turn it on, 1 temperature setting. You just kind of pick it up and you know exactly what to do. It might be the perfect introductory unit. Portability, the 900 milliamp hour battery could be better, but it's pretty standard. Carry a battery pack on you and you'll be able to last the whole day. Stealthy, super stealthy for on-the-go use, which I really like about it. The little one is a decent performing introductory vaporizer, but let's take a quick look at the pros and cons. Pros, it is discreet as It is super easy to use, and it has haptic feedback, which I think for a unit this big just kind of helps me. I don't know, I'm a big stoner. I always forget that I've turned on a unit, or I forget that I've not turned off a unit. I just love the vibration because I'm the most forgetful Susan that there is on the planet. Cons, like the clouds aren't huge. It does get a little hot, and 1 temperature setting is okay. Overall, I would recommend the little one to anyone who is brand new to vaping and wants a budget device to kind of open the door. For $50, you're not going to do much better than this, in my humble opinion. As always, thanks so much for checking out our review of the little one. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video. Click subscribe if you really enjoyed it. To find out more, be sure to visit vapesterdam.com to check out reviews, showdowns, and rankings. My name's Alex, and until next time, stay cloudy.